What is a commonwealth? It's more than a place, more than a home. It's a people. People coming together to build a connection through one shared goal, a better Kentucky for everybody who calls it home. Together, they carry their passions and beliefs and ideas to improve their communities and share them in one space to learn and build with each other. At the Kentucky Youth Assembly, young people don't shy away from their opportunity to speak up, to challenge others' perspectives and their own, to improve their commonwealth. They're not waiting for tomorrow, not waiting until they're adults to jump in and help. Wielding their most critical asset, their youth, they're making a change today. Because leaders don't wait to serve. They don't ask permission to help others or to voice their ideas. They just do. Because they can and because they should. At KYA, the young minds and hearts of Kentucky come together. One commonwealth, many faces. And together, they build a voice strong enough to shake the world and change it for the better.